He was once called the Singham of Karnataka Police, a fearless IPS officer known for discipline, honesty, and public connect. Today, the same man has become one of the most talked about political faces in Tamil Nadu. This is the story of K. Annamalai, the officer who left the khaki uniform, wore the saffron scarf, and entered the heart of Dravidian politics, one of the toughest political terrains in India. Annamalai's journey looked like a political film script. From being a popular IPS officer in Karnataka's Udupi and Chikmagaluru districts, known as a student's officer, to resigning from service in 2019 and joining the BJP in 2020. His rise was rapid and dramatic. Within just 1 year of joining politics, Annamalai became the youngest BJP state president of Tamil Nadu. He launched massive outreach campaigns like Yen Man, Yen Makkal, My Land, My People, and tried to build a strong grassroots connection. He brought visibility, energy, aggression, and national attention to the BJP in Tamil Nadu, a state traditionally dominated by DMK and AIADMK. But visibility did not fully convert into electoral power. Even though BJP's vote share increased significantly in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, tripling compared to 2019, the party still struggled to convert influence into seats. Annamalai himself lost from Coimbatore but secured a strong vote share, keeping BJP's hopes alive. Then came the big political turning point. With Tamil Nadu Assembly election approaching, Annamalai suddenly announced that he is stepping down from his election in charge responsibilities. He asked the party to remove him from the charge of 6 assembly seats, including the key Siganallur seat in Coimbatore, from where he was expected to contest. His official reason? His father's health. He needs to stay in Coimbatore. Family comes first. He is not in a position to travel or manage intense political duties. He even shifted to a rented house in Coimbatore to take care of his father while staying connected with the public. But politically, this move created massive shockwaves because he gave up election responsibilities. He created doubt over whether he will even contest the election. He stepped away at a time when elections are very close. He was one of BJP's strongest face in the state. This raised a serious question. Is this really only about family, or is there a political crisis inside BJP? Behind scenes, there has been a long-running internal conflict inside Tamil Nadu BJP. After Annamalai was removed as state president, Nayanar Nagendran became the BJP state chief in April 2025. Since then, a cold war has been going on within the party. Major issues: power struggle inside state leadership, control over party structure, social media war rooms dismantled, Annamalai loyalists being sidelined, new leadership reshaping the organization, tensions over alliance management. Nagendran focused on rebuilding ties with the AIADMK and successfully restored the BJP-AIADMK alliance. This alliance became BJP's survival strategy in Tamil Nadu. Annamalai, on the other hand, symbolized aggressive independent politics, which earlier caused friction with AIADMK and even led to alliance breakdowns in the past. His controversial statements on Dravidian icons like C.N. Annadurai and Jayalalitha had earlier damaged BJP-AIADMK relations, making him a sensitive figure in alliance politics. To restore alliance, BJP had to sacrifice leadership positions, and Annamalai lost his state president post. Now, with elections coming and alliance politics dominating, his decision to step away from election duties looks political as well as personal. Meanwhile, BJP has formed an NDA alliance with AIADMK, planning to contest 41 assembly seats, out of which 6 were assigned to Annamalai, and now he has returned that responsibility. Even though he says he will continue party work and campaigning, his withdrawal from core election responsibility sends a strong political signal. From frontline leadership to background presence, from star face to uncertain future, from symbol of BJP's Tamil Nadu expansion to a question mark, Annamalai's political position today is unclear and unstable. His story reflects BJP's larger struggle in Tamil Nadu. Vote share is increasing, seat conversion is weak, visibility is growing, mass base is limited, national support exists, local Dravidian dominance remains. With new political players entering Tamil Nadu politics and alliance dependency increasing, BJP faces a strategic crisis. Should it grow independently or survive through alliances? And in this shifting political game, Annamalai, once the biggest hope, now stands at a crossroads from Singham to storm, from hero image to political uncertainty. Annamalai's journey is no longer just personal, it has become a symbol of BJP's Tamil Nadu challenge. The question is now simple. Will Annamalai contest the election? Will he stay central in BJP's future plans? Or is this the beginning of his political sidelining? Because in politics, silence speaks louder than speeches, and stepping back before election is never just a personal decision.